Hi, my name's Melissa and welcome to Ori Polynesia. Today we're going to learn how to do the Ori Opu. First of all, I shall show you what it looks like and then I'll teach you. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we're going to break it down into a few sections and then we're going to build it up and put it back together. So first of all, I'd like you to work on contracting your upper abdominals, which is here. So if we separate our abdominals into 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3, we only want to work this section, right here. This is your upper abdominals. So we're going to take it, we're going to try to contract upper abdominals only. Now if anything, your lower abdominals or beneath will dome outwards and release. Upper abdominals, release. Upper abdominals, release. This wants to be really relaxed. Make sure that this doesn't contract, and if anything, you want it to go outwards. So I'm here, I'm going upper abdominals, release. Upper abdominals, release. Upper, upper, upper. Now some people, when they're doing this for the first time, when they're first learning it, find it a lot easier to slouch. So maybe if you kind of slouch, gravity will help you, then you can do it again. So upper abdominals, sometimes it's easier to find. Not very attractive, but you might find it easier. So upper abdominals, release. Upper abdominals, release. Upper, upper. Okay, now we're going into the full belly contraction, which is everything. So I want you to contract all of it. Okay, so squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Chest lifted, shoulders back, and squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Hard as you can. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we did upper. We're doing all of it. Now we're going into the lower abdominals. You will probably find you'll find one easier than the other. And also, it's very normal for this not to happen straight away. You have to work it and work at it and work at it, and eventually you'll get it. Okay, maybe not today. So keep trying. Stay with me. All right, lower abdominals. So now this wants to stay relaxed, and only this. So underneath your belly button is where you're trying to contract, right down into your pelvic floor. So lower abdominals, and if anything, this should dome outwards. Release. Lower, release. Lower, release. Lower, release. Lower, release. Lower. 1, 2. 1, 2. And again, you might find this easier slouch or even lying down. Try, see what works best for you. Lower, release. This wants to be jelly. Don't contract. Leave it alone. Soft belly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now maybe you want to go over that a few more times. If not, we're going to alternate upper and lower. Okay, so upper abdominals, lower. Upper, lower. Upper, lower. Upper, lower. Upper, lower. Okay, so now we're going to try the full Ori Opu. Rolling of the belly. Okay, so upper abdominals, you're going to move down into middle abdominals, and gonna release. Upper abdominals, you're gonna release lower. So in sections, okay? Upper abdominals, middle, release upper, release lower. Upper, middle, release upper, release lower. Upper, middle, release upper, release lower. Upper, middle, release. Okay? So that's enough. You might want to go back and spend even a few weeks on that. It doesn't happen in one day. Some people are really lucky, but a lot of people who really work at it. So don't be disheartened if it's not happening for you right now. Keep practicing. So now, just imagine we've done a few of those. We're going to do the whole thing fluidly. Okay, so upper, roll, release. 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2, release, release. All right, let's give you another angle. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2, release, release. 1, 2. And then when you get the hang of it, you can play around with your speeds. For now, Just roll the belly. Roll it. Roll. Roll. Okay. Thank you.